The world of air travel continues to evolve, and the top 8 best airlines in the world in 2025 are leading the way with unparalleled luxury, innovation, and customer satisfaction. These airlines have become synonymous with excellence in air travel, offering passengers an experience that goes far beyond simply getting from one destination to another. Whether it's cutting-edge technology, luxurious accommodations, or personalized service, these airlines ensure that every flight is a journey worth remembering. As the aviation industry constantly strives to meet higher standards, these airlines remain at the top, shaping the future of travel in 2025. If you want to keep up with the latest in the travel world, make sure to subscribe to this channel for in-depth reviews, top recommendations, and tips from the skies. Number 1. Singapore Airlines. Singapore Airlines continues to represent the pinnacle of global air travel. Headquartered in Singapore, this flagship carrier has earned its reputation through consistent excellence across every aspect of the flying experience. Whether traveling in economy, business, or first class, passengers find themselves immersed in a world of elegance, comfort, and attentiveness that very few other airlines can match. The airline's fleet, consisting of modern aircraft such as the Airbus A350, Boeing 787 Dreamliner, and the Airbus A380, has been updated with the latest in aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. What sets Singapore Airlines apart is its devotion to passenger comfort. In economy class, seats are ergonomically designed with extra legroom, high-definition entertainment systems, and thoughtful meal options catering to a wide range of dietary preferences. In the premium cabins, especially business and first class, passengers experience private suites with lie-flat beds, direct aisle access, gourmet meals curated by an international panel of chefs, and access to the airline's signature Book the Cook service. The cabin crew is internationally praised for professionalism, courtesy, and personalized attention, making even long-haul flights feel effortless. Singapore Airlines not only excels in the air but also on the ground, offering seamless service at Changi Airport, one of the world's finest aviation hubs. Their ability to combine innovation, luxury, safety, and service excellence makes Singapore Airlines a leader that continues to inspire the industry year after year. Number 2. Qatar Airways. Qatar Airways has carved out a place among the world's most respected airlines through its award-winning service, futuristic aircraft, and consistent drive for perfection. Headquartered in Doha, the airline is known for its luxurious in-flight experience, strong safety standards, and one of the youngest, most fuel-efficient fleets in the world. The centerpiece of the Qatar Airways experience is the Q-Suite, a revolutionary business class product that offers sliding doors for privacy, fully flat beds, and the option to convert adjacent seats into a double bed or a shared 4-person cabin for families or business teams. No other airline currently offers such flexibility and comfort in business class, making the Q-Suite a benchmark in the industry. In economy, passengers benefit from wider seats, generous legroom, and one of the best in-flight entertainment systems in the sky. Meal options are inspired by global flavors and served with exceptional presentation and care. Qatar Airways also pays special attention to the little details, like offering luxury amenity kits, hot towels, and even pajamas in long-haul business class. The airline operates out of Hamad International Airport, a futuristic and elegant hub that adds to the overall premium experience. With connectivity across 6 continents and an emphasis on precision, elegance, and passenger satisfaction, Qatar Airways remains a consistent favorite for both leisure and business travelers in 2025. Number 3. Emirates. When it comes to grandeur in the skies, few names stand as tall as Emirates. Based in Dubai, Emirates is known around the world for luxury, scale, and innovation. As the largest operator of the Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger aircraft, Emirates has transformed long-haul flying into a 5-star experience. The airline's economy class offers spacious seating, multilingual entertainment systems, and regionally inspired meals that surprise many with their quality and taste. Premium economy, recently introduced and rapidly expanding across the fleet, provides a middle ground that feels close to business class in terms of comfort and service. However, it's in the upper cabins that Emirates truly distinguishes itself. Business class on the A380 features a sleek layout with lie-flat seats and an onboard lounge bar where passengers can socialize at 40,000 feet. First class, on the other hand, is an experience in itself, featuring fully enclosed private suites, virtual windows, personalized dining menus, and even an onboard shower spa. With unmatched attention to glamour, detail, and operational excellence, Emirates combines luxury and efficiency in a way that defines premium international travel in 2025. Number 4. All Nippon Airways. All Nippon Airways, more commonly known as ANA, is Japan's largest airline and a model of consistency, discipline, and attention to detail. With a deep focus on safety, punctuality, and impeccable customer service, ANA offers a uniquely Japanese approach to aviation that blends cutting-edge technology with deep-rooted hospitality. The airline operates a modern fleet of Boeing 787 Dreamliners and 777 aircraft, offering enhanced cabin pressure systems, quieter engines, and mood lighting to reduce travel fatigue. In economy class, passengers enjoy clean, well-designed spaces with thoughtfully crafted meals that emphasize freshness and balance. Business and first-class cabins feature wide seating, lie-flat beds, and elegant touches such as wood finishes, privacy partitions, and gourmet Japanese cuisine served on fine tableware. The crew, trained in the spirit of omotenashi, the Japanese philosophy of heartfelt hospitality, provides an experience that feels both graceful and sincere. ANA is also one of the few airlines that has consistently earned 5-star ratings for both service and safety. Its commitment to maintaining traditional values while embracing innovation places it among the world's most refined and reliable carriers in 2025. Number 5. Cathay Pacific. Cathay Pacific, the flagship carrier of Hong Kong, has long been associated with high standards in international travel. Despite facing challenges in recent years, the airline has rebounded with strength and innovation, offering passengers a blend of Asian hospitality and world-class aviation technology. Operating a modern fleet of Airbus A350s and Boeing 777s, Cathay Pacific is especially favored for long-haul travel across the Asia-Pacific region, North America, and Europe. Its economy class stands out for thoughtful seating configurations, multilingual entertainment options, and cuisine that reflects Hong Kong's global culinary identity. Business class is known for its herringbone seating arrangement and ensuring privacy and direct aisle access for every passenger. Amenities include designer bedding, on-demand dining, and elegant lounges at major international airports. First-class cabins, where available, feature expansive suites, fine wines, caviar service, and personal attention that rivals the best hotels. Cathay Pacific also invests heavily in staff training and environmental sustainability, making it not only a luxurious choice but also a responsible one. In 2025, the airline has regained its status as a top-tier global carrier by focusing on excellence, innovation, and deeply personalized service. Number 6. Turkish Airlines. Turkish Airlines has rapidly grown from a regional player to a dominant force in global aviation. Operating out of the strategically positioned Istanbul Airport, one of the world's largest and most modern aviation hubs, this airline now offers more international destinations than any other carrier, connecting east and west with impressive efficiency and comfort. Turkish Airlines has earned a stellar reputation for its in-flight dining. In every class of service, passengers are treated to chef-inspired meals that reflect both Turkish and international culinary traditions. Even in economy class, menus are carefully designed, featuring freshly prepared dishes served on real porcelain with generous portions. In business class, an onboard flying chef adds a restaurant-like experience at cruising altitude. The airline's wide-body fleet, including the Boeing 787 and Airbus A350, provides modern interiors with mood lighting, quieter cabins, and advanced air filtration systems. Business class passengers enjoy lie-flat seats, direct aisle access, and beautifully designed lounges that showcase Turkish hospitality with marble floors, live cooking stations, and spa-like shower facilities. Turkish Airlines also places a strong emphasis on multilingual service, cultural sensitivity, and global connectivity. Its growth has been matched by a commitment to quality, making it one of the most reliable and enjoyable carriers for both business and leisure travelers in 2025. Number 7. EVaair. EVaair, based in Taipei, Taiwan, continues to quietly impress global travelers with its calm professionalism, reliability, and exceptional onboard comfort. As a member of the Star Alliance and a frequent recipient of 5-star ratings, EVaair has become a preferred choice for those who value cleanliness, punctuality, and refined service. The airline is particularly noted for its business class, known as Royal Laurel Class, which offers spacious lie-flat seats with privacy dividers, fine dining options, and elegant amenities that create a tranquil and premium environment. Soft lighting, soothing cabin colors, and noise-reducing features make long-haul flights refreshingly peaceful. Economy class on EVaair is among the best in the world. Passengers benefit from ergonomic seating, large personal entertainment screens, and friendly, respectful service that reflects the airline's East Asian values. Premium economy, often overlooked by competitors, is one of EVaair's strongest features, offering wider seats, upgraded meals, and priority boarding at a competitive price. The airline also stands out for its strong safety record and clean cabin environment. From efficient boarding processes to well-maintained restrooms and thoughtfully designed interiors, EVaair provides a consistent and high-quality experience that has earned the trust of discerning travelers worldwide. Number 8. Lufthansa. Lufthansa, the flagship carrier of Germany, rounds out the list of the top 8 best airlines in the world in 2025 with a combination of engineering excellence, refined service, and European sophistication. As one of the largest and most established airlines in the world, Lufthansa has continued to modernize its fleet and services while maintaining the precision and discipline for which German engineering is known. In 2025, Lufthansa has introduced a completely revamped long-haul product, including a brand-new business class that features direct aisle access, lie-flat seating, and customizable privacy. The design reflects minimalism and functionality, with sleek lines, natural materials, and a color palette that promotes calmness and relaxation. Economy passengers also benefit from improved seating, more legroom, and enhanced entertainment systems. Premium economy offers a significant step up, with greater seat recline, priority boarding, and upgraded meals served with wine and real tableware. First class, still available on select aircraft, is a master class in quiet luxury, with elegant lounges, gourmet dining, and concierge-level service both in the air and on the ground. Lufthansa's ground experience, particularly at its Frankfurt and Munich hubs, is designed for efficiency. From biometric check-in to premium lounges and streamlined transfers, the airline provides a well-orchestrated experience for time-sensitive and comfort-seeking travelers alike. Its commitment to sustainability through new-generation aircraft and sustainable aviation fuel initiatives also positions it as a forward-thinking leader in global aviation. These 8 airlines have set the gold standard for air travel in 2025, delivering not only safety and reliability, but also luxury, innovation, and a deep commitment to passenger comfort. Whether offering 5-star cuisine at 35,000 feet, private suites that rival luxury hotels, or economy cabins that prioritize dignity and care, each of these airlines has earned its place among the very best in the skies. As the aviation industry continues to evolve, these leaders remind the world that flying can still be inspiring, graceful, and truly enjoyable. Travelers who value quality, service, and a memorable journey would be wise to consider any of these top-tier carriers for their next international trip. For more aviation rankings, airline comparisons, and expert travel insights, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications.